Playgroup Queensland is one of the largest and most progressive not-for-profit organisations in this state. We have about 90 staff and we work as far away as Cairns, Townsville down to the Gold Coast, out to Warrabinda, and then we have a large staff team here in Brisbane. What makes us different is that we can actually respond very quickly to local community needs. Our work is in strengthening families. We work particularly across early intervention programs right across the state. We work with children with disability, with grandparents and with the local community who just wants a playgroup in their area.
Our day-to-day technology setup was not coping at all. Our servers were 5 years old and it meant that every time more than just a few users logged on, our system slowed to snail pace, so it was almost impossible to access files and really slow to send an email. The cost of maintaining the servers was rising and we couldn't sustain it. We needed a better solution, but it had to be easy to use, easy to maintain, cost efficient to manage, and above all, easy to deploy.
We spoke to a number of IT specialists. Most of their solutions involve buying a new server. As a not-for-profit, we have to be very careful with our funds, so we decided to look for another solution. We started to investigate the cloud. It looked simple and cost-efficient for our needs. We also liked the idea of going to one supplier. We felt that that would make it easier for us to manage. Telstra T-Suite offers a good range of solutions with its comprehensive suite of Microsoft applications. These included Microsoft Office 365.
Our deployment comprised of 3 cloud-based applications. Firstly, Microsoft Exchange for our emails. Secondly, Microsoft Link, which gave our staff collaboration tools for video conferencing, desktop sharing and instant messaging. And finally, SharePoint Online, which gave us a secure space for storage of documents and files.
Helping Playgroup Queensland getting on board was fast and easy. There was no actual need to go and visit each site in person. We simply sent the instructions remotely to each regional site and they deployed themselves.
Now every member of our staff has easy access to emails and to all our company files with one single log-on. The transition has been seamless. Email looks exactly the same, so there's been no learning curve. And with Link, our staff have greater collaboration.
It's really enabled them to continue with the regional growth plans. It's actually increased the reliability of their services whilst reducing their costs.
We worked out that by the time we bought a new server, installed it and had somebody manage it, it was going to cost us $46,000 a year. Instead, we've reduced our outlay to $12,000 a year and we don't have to employ an IT specialist. Moving to the cloud has been a really positive experience. It's saved us a lot of money, it's increased our productivity and the staff actually love it.
With Microsoft Office 365, we're online all the time. We're able to communicate with our members, our staff and our stakeholders and provide the service that a professional business should be providing.